You got him? Didn't want to bother it because I was like, if it comes towards me.
Crikey, I killed his ass.
Yep, I am so ready. All right, we're rolling. No, what? That's just weightless. Damn, look at that. Nice. First bass of the night. Oh, oh, something was down there. Something's down there. Eric's on second fish. Eric's on a roll. Eric's on a roll. It's a beast. I should have gotten a smaller version of it, but I was being hard at it. I was like, oh, let me get the bigger one. There we go. It caught me off guard. I was like, because I felt it thumping. Oh, shit.
I think don't hurt yourself.
All right, guys. Bass number 1 for Mark. See ya.
But you will be tired afterwards.
Right.
This is not a bad place to throw it.
Really?
I didn't even lift up.
I know, you just...
Look what it is.
Oh, my gosh.
Warmouth.
That's a pretty fish.
A warmouth.
It looks like a bass.
That is a panfish.
Holy cow. It looks almost like a smallie.
It's like a cross between a brim and a smallmouth bass.
Yeah. That's cool, dude.
See, that's what I do a lot too. I watch my line. If my line starts taking off,
Mm-hmm. And that's why I like the white line, because you can see it, like, you know. Oh.
Do me one favor.
Yeah.
Tighten your drag up a little bit.
Oh, duh. Dang.
That's why you missed that fish.
Damn. He worked in Japan. He was an engineer, actually, doing electronic stuff, and oh, there it is.
Woo. There you go.
Oh, bro. Yep, I'm relaxing. Yep. There we go. Just let the fish do the. Oh, baby.
Just about threw the net up there.
Oh, baby. You got her? Oh.
Hold on.
Okay.
Just let her roll.
Yep.
Don't reel.
No, I'm not.
She comes back up this time, I'll get. Oh, shit. Too deep.
Okay. There, I'm gonna bring it to you. That's a nice bass, bub.
2.5.
Yeah. Holy crap, guys! Look at that.
Looked a lot bigger out
She really did, didn't she? Come here, baby. Come here. You coming with me? And all, yeah, exactly. Oh my gosh.
Want me to get a picture of you?
Yeah, if you don't mind, dude.
I got it.
Look at that, guys. Beautiful fit. Wow. I'd say 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds.
She's pushing 2 pounds. She's got
Empty belly. Yeah, a little bit.
We'll put her back.
Yeah, we are putting her back.
We'll keep some for tomorrow.
Oh yeah. This is warm up for tomorrow. Man, that was fun.
When she made the hard run,
yeah,
your drag strip.
Exactly.
That's what it's supposed to.
Okay. Right.
You don't want the fish to constantly just
pull, right.
Because then you gain nothing.
Right.
And also too, it don't hold that hook.
Right, so she can throw it out. Mm-hmm. Damn. That was, oh my gosh. That was a nice bass. And they fight different here. Like when it's like,
they fight hard.
It's crazy because you lose your worm.
That's my tournament.
Nice, dude. Which is fine. There we go. Oh, that was close. Yep. Dang. I was video recording you like this, and ooh, what was that?
Just like this, man.
On a roll, bud. Oh man. This place is loaded up. Yeah.
And he called me and said, what color worm did you have?
Mm-hmm.
I said a black fish always.
All right. That works.
I'm just gonna have to try.
Oh, oh. Oh, there he goes. I didn't even know there was fish on there because I didn't feel the thump or...
There's a bass on it.
Huh. That's probably what I felt that tug. Mm-hmm. I see him.
There's a bass and brim.
Together?
He just swam off. He's on the bed. And sucking in. Sitting on there. He's going after yours, but
Oh!
brim.
Oh, man.
He started going after yours.
Bro, that's crazy.
Now, that wasn't the bass, though.
That's hilarious. That little brim. Actually, that felt like a really... Oh, there we go.
Good fish?
There we go.
I'm going to leave him on the bed. Hey, there's a buttload of them fishes.
Right. It was just right there on the tip of that branch that's sticking out.
Yeah.
Just let it fall and it caught it.
Pretty good.
Thank you.
They're all pretty fish.
They really are. Look at that backside.
Be a pond fish.
Yeah. I mean, that.
They're healthy.
Look how that dark that back is.
Good,
Alright, guys. A little tiny one.
That's river water. This is river fed.
Uh-huh. There you go. It's just fun to be on fish, man. I don't care what size it is. I'm just a happy-go-lucky guy when it comes to, like... That's a good one. That thing caught me off guard, man. Oh, that's a good one, dude. That's a good one. Nice.
A lot of times you catch warmouth
Uh-huh.
is whenever you're fishing around, like, there you go. Ooh, that's a little bit better fish. You want me to get the net?
Yeah, maybe.
Don't horse it.
I'm not gonna horse it. I'm just gonna let the rod do its job.
Come down here.
Yep.
I don't know how big he is. He just looks,
Ooh, he pulled.
looks pretty decent.
He's pulling drag. He's pulling drag a little bit. All right, you ready for it?
Yeah, just whenever. Whenever he's ready.
I mean, I feel like it's a small one, but
You got it, my friend.
that's sweet.
Want to get another pit?
Yeah, man, this is actually pretty decent size.
You smoking me on the size. I might be beating you on the numbers, but you smoking me on the size.
Oh no, you got yourself some decent one.
About a pound and a half.
Yeah, not bad.
This one's scaled down.
Oh yeah, next time I sure will. I was staring at it too before we left. All right, guys, see you later.
I didn't bring my bag. You want to see a brim bed?
Yeah.
Come walk up here.
All right, guys.
But there
Brim
ain't no
bed.
brim on it.
Yeah. That's bigger than a bass bed.
Oh God, yeah.
That's big. That's
a
big.
brim bed is big.
I did not know it was that big.
Brim bed. Now we circled the field to look for these. I got one.
Nice. There it is. Nice.
Little fella.
They really like. There we go. Nice.
He weighs 5 pounds.
5 pounds, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. There we go. Yep.
Good one, Nick.
I don't know. I think it's a small one. Oh, what is?
Warmouth.
Oh, my first warmouth. Yep. Dude, that's my first warmouth. Seriously, it looks like a stunted smallie.
Really, what they look there? It's a brim. This is in his eye.
Holy cow, dude. That is sweet.
Pretty cool little fish.
Yeah, man.
I don't know why I didn't hand them to you. My bad.
Oh, no, you're good, dude. I got it on video.